Hi, I'm Ty, Head of Development here at RetailRight. In this video I'll be explaining our new item inventory import template, as well as giving a quick demonstration of how it works. So, you'll notice when you now click the Items tab, you'll get this little Import tab. If you click that, you can click this link here to get the template, and this is what the template will look like. So the bold columns are required, so basically all you need is a title, price, and quantity at minimum. And since we do organize quantity by store, you'll notice here at the bottom this sheet is labeled store name 1. So if you wanted to do multiple quantities for multiple stores, you can either download this template and then create more, basically a duplicate of it, and rename the tab, or you can simply just click down here and rename the tab to whatever your other store name would be. Now these have to match exact to what is in RetailRight. It has to be exactly the same, case sensitive and everything. And then you just fill out the rest here with your titles, prices, and quantities, cost. Images need to be comma separated. Description, and then classification condition work the exact same. So if you're looking to map your items to a classification or condition or both in the app, they need to match exactly what it is in the app. And then additional fields, you got UPC, ASIN, MPN, brand, color, IN, and ELID if you have those and you want to import those as well. So I have a test one. Let me pull that up so you can see what that looks like. Here we go. So I have a test one with a couple items, so 9 items I believe. So this is what the title looks like. There's my price, quantity, cost, images. I have 2 images in here, comma separated. No description, no classification, no condition, then my UPC and an ASIN. And then you'll see down here, just so I can prove how this works, and you can also see our tabs. This is what I have the stores named as in RetailRight. Let me pull that up just to clarify. So if you go to edit, this would be the best way to do it. You go to edit store and just copy and paste this into your sheet name, and that will give you what you're looking for. So we have our 2 here. These are all duplicate items, so there should only be a total of 9, but there should be quantity in both. And this Dyson vacuum cleaner should have an appliance and a like new, and let me clarify that as well. So if we go into edit preferences or classification, again, if you're using those, just I would recommend just copy and pasting them in there to avoid any errors. But that's the classification we're going to be using, and then the condition we are going to be using. So now that I've explained all that, let's go ahead and give it a run. So import, choose your file, and upload. Items will begin to populate in the items tab, and then you'll get another, once it's done, you'll get another notification for that. Should only take a few seconds. And there you go. Successful, items appear under the items tab. So I'm going to refresh, and there you go. So there's the one item with the 2 comma separated images. And I currently have my condition classification required, so these are going to pop up required, but if you don't have them, it'll look like this. Spam. And then we have, oh, and I didn't point this out. There's the quantity in both stores. Quantity in the both stores, so all of them have that. And then here's our one that we gave a, let me re-enable these, that we gave a classification condition to. So we'll allow you to upload. This is really, if you have condition classification enabled, this is the only way to create items that don't have a classification and condition, is through this inventory import. But here's the one that we assigned a classification and a condition, and it's the appliance and the like new. So that is how you do an item inventory import into RetailRight.